Hi everyone. Now we can see Twitter clone using the MERN stack. So this is the MERN stack. So MERN stack means MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. So now we can see the coding part. So this project have two parts. One is server side, another one is client side. Server side is working on Node.js and Express.js and MongoDB also. So client side have React.js. Now we will see server side. So we need to install the some packages for Twitter clone. In this, we are using this packages like bycrypt, compression, course, env, .env, express.js, JSON token, JWS token. So another one is client side. Client side have React.js. Yeah, like this also we need to install packages for front end. So now we will start through the big coding. So I will start first server side. This code is running on backend server. I already installed those packages, so I don't need to install another one again. So I'm directly going to start the server. So server was started, MongoDB also connected. This is the listening port number 3001, and we will start client side. This is all the same command. Client side is running. It will take little bit of time. So our server is running on localhost 3000. This is our database setup. This is the database name. In this three tables we have profiles, tweets, and users. So this is the our homepage, Twitter clone of homepage. This all profiles. So all profile means who are the already registered. That person details will display in this place. In homepage, who are the created the tweets, that profiles will display. Like tweets will display. In this also we can add, delete, edit also. Now this is I was already logged in. If you don't have account, you want to log in through by register. I will show you how to you can add tweet. So this is a new tweet. Hi, hello. This I was created the new tweet. This is the time and date. Everything have. If I click in this, we can like, and also we can retweet. Also, is possible in this project. And if I go to our profile, this is our profile. Our tweets will display in our profile. So in this, we can we can edit profile also is there. If you give edit, you can change the name, bio, and images also. If you don't want to backend, if you don't want images, you also can change. And if you give update, it will update. I will show you. I will game added some one E. Yeah, like this it will work. And settings also there. If you don't want this account, we can delete also. Is there? If I give yes, it will delete. Thank you.